I'm going to say something that a lot of people are too scared to say. Being fat is a choice. Not every single part of it, not every factor. But at the end of the day, you don't accidentally stay overweight. You choose to. Through habits, decisions, and through what you prioritise. And before you freak out, I'm going to break down exactly what I mean. So let's talk. Yes, genetics play a role. Some people store fat more easily. Some burn fewer calories at rest. Some have medical conditions that make fat loss, weight loss harder. That's all true. But here's the difference. Harder does not mean impossible. You can be dealt a tough hand and still play better than 90% of people. Don't confuse genetic influence with genetic guarantee. It's not about blame, it's about ownership. So every time that you eat, that's a choice. Nobody force feeds you takeout. Nobody made you skip meal prep. Nobody shoved snacks into your mouth at midnight. You chose them. Even if it was emotional, even if it was convenient, it was still a choice. You can choose grilled chicken or you can choose cheesecake. Both are legal, but don't be surprised when the results reflect the decision. And you can choose whether you want to move or whether you want to sit, because movement is free. Walking is free. Doing bodyweight squats in the living room is free. But people say, I still can't lose weight, while sitting for 6 hours per day, scrolling TikTok, skipping workouts, and avoiding any type of movement. Your body wants to stay where it's at. Your brain wants easy. But you don't get stronger by doing what's easy. You get stronger by doing what's uncomfortable on purpose. So let's be honest. Most people aren't lazy because they're weak. They're lazy because they're addicted to cheap dopamine. Scrolling, snacking, Netflix, drive-through hits. It all feels good in the moment. None of it makes life any better long term. And the crazy part is that we all know it. But you keep choosing comfort because comfort is addictive. Discipline is the hard part, but only discipline gets you out. So even with PCOS, thyroid issues, you still choose. PCOS, thyroid, insulin resistance, they can all be conditions that make fat loss harder. They can all slow metabolism. They can all mess with energy levels, but they don't remove your ability to choose. They just raise the difficulty level. You might lose weight slower, you might have to be more strategic, but you're still in the driver's seat. The moment that you say, I can't lose weight because of X, you give away all of your power. So, again, I'm going to say it, being fat is a choice, and so is changing. And that's not there to shame, it's meant to empower you. Because if it is your fault, it's also your fix, and it can be your comeback. So ask yourself, what are you choosing daily? Are those choices making you stronger or softer? And are they moving you forward or are they keeping you stuck? And if this hits you hard, you'll love my 21-day free fitness tips. The link in the description, click on that and you'll get an email a day for the next 21 days. And it's free. Because I'm not here to coddle you, I'm here to help you get your power back. So let's go.